Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we have the newly launched Huawei Freebuds SE3 and the previous model, the Freebuds SE2, which was launched back in 2023. We already know that both are great models, offering good sound quality, good call quality, excellent battery life, and they look quite similar. In fact, while the case and the buds have different finishes, the dimensions and most of the specifications are the same. Now let's focus on the differences. First, the physical differences. The Freebuds SE3 comes with a vegan leather case and a shiny plastic lid. You'll find the same shiny plastic in the same color on the stems of the buds. The Freebuds SE2 have the same shiny plastic on both the case and the buds. Other than that, the SE3 has a pairing button on the bottom of the case, which was missing on the SE2. This is quite useful because on the SE2, pairing or resetting the buds was a bit cumbersome. You had to touch the buds for a few seconds. Now this can be done by simply pressing the button. The Freebuds SE3 supports Bluetooth 5.4, while the SE2 supports Bluetooth 5.3. The battery life is rated at 42 hours in total for the SE3 and 40 hours for the SE2. That's it guys, everything else is the same, even in the Huawei AI Life app with a slightly different layout, but the same functions and features. Now let's analyze any differences in the microphone quality if there are any. Let me know in the comments what you think.
Hello, this is the call quality of the Huawei Freebuds SE2. Testing. Hello, this is the call quality of the Huawei Freebuds SE3. Testing. Hello, this is the call quality of the Huawei Freebuds SE2. Testing. Hello, this is the call quality of the Huawei Freebuds SE3. Testing. Hello, this is the call quality of the Huawei Freebuds SE2. Testing. Hello, this is the call quality of the Huawei Freebuds SE3. Testing.
If you like this video, please consider subscribing. If you have questions, I'll be happy to answer in the comments section.